Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to make beautiful earrings with sequins. Friends, please support me, give me big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. I try to make every video and your support inspire me to create something new. Really big thanks for watching me. So let's start. I drew a sketch on the paper and cut out. Take polymer clay, roll out, and cut out these spots. This is pigment for nail design, and I put it on the surface. I cover on baked clay, because the pigment is so good stick to the surface. When the clay is already baked, pigment not well to stick. This is sequins also for nail design. Cover the surface with liquid clay. And place these sequins. Bake in oven. You see, after baking, pigment not stick. Polish insides a little bit. cover with varnish. By the way, this is varnish for decoupage. And put pigment. Need to wait until it will be dry. And connect two parts together. That's all! I like these earrings so much. Now this is my favorite earrings. Do you like it? Please leave your comments. I want to know your opinion. And big thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!